Advancing care information, this is the category that was previously meaningful use, and this is 25% of your score. The overall score in this category, and I find this a little bit confusing, so I'm going to try to break this down and make it as simple as I can. There are two scores that make up your total score. So there's the base score and there's a performance score. So the base score includes 5 measures, and those are based on meaningful use 3. You have to report a yes or a numerator of 1 for all 5 of those base measures in order to get a score greater than 0 in this category overall. Your base score can make up to 50% of your overall score in this category. The performance score can actually account for up to 90% of your score, but again, you'll get a 0 in the entire category if you don't at least have a yes or a 1 for all of the 5 base measures. You can also get bonuses for reporting to registries, and as I mentioned on the last slide, for certified EHR improvement activities. I'll mention 2 other quick points that I think would be important to know. 2017 is the first year that EHRs, QCDRs, and qualified registries are able to submit what was previously the EHR incentive program objectives, which is now the Advancing Care Information category. And it's also the first time that that data can be reported through the CMS web interface. And then secondly, under the EHR incentive program, EPs that were part of a group could attest together, but they were assessed as individuals. Now under MIPS, when you report as a group, you're going to be assessed as a group. So in this category, for 2017, you need to have at least a 2014 certified EHR. In 2018, you have to have 2015 edition to submit for this category. So make sure you're moving in that direction toward the 2015 edition so you're ready January 1 of 2018. And then secondly, make sure you achieve a yes or a 1 in the numerator for those 5 base measures, because again, if you don't, you're going to get a 0 overall in this category. The MU thresholds don't apply. You only need a 1 in the numerator. But if you don't report that, a 1 or a 0, you get a 0 overall. So next, I'm going to hand it over to Autumn, and she's going to talk a little bit more about how to choose your measures and then implement those into your workflow.